Hello students, for the class 7th, our topic is inside our earth. It's a geography portion, inside the earth. If you ever observed an apple carefully, अगर हम एक एप्पल को देखते हैं तो हम देखते हैं कि इसी तरीके से, जिस तरीके से एक एप्पल है उसी तरीके से हमारी अर्थ है. You must be discovered that it is made of the three layer like our earth. The skin of the apple may be compared with must crust, and the fleshy part is the mantle and the central part is the core. Let us discuss the three layers of the earth. Structure and the layers of the earth. First of all, crust. The surface of the outer layer of the earth is known as the crust. दोबारा ऐसे कहते हैं कि द सरफेस ऑफ द आउटर लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ इज नोन एज द क्रस्ट. इस कंसिस्ट ऑफ द थिनेस्ट ऑफ ऑल द लेयर्स विच इज अबाउट 35 किलोमीटर ऑन द कॉन्टिनेंटल मास एंड ओनली 5 किलोमीटर इन द ओशन फ्लोर्स. द कॉन्टिनेंटल मास मेनली कंसिस्ट ऑफ द सिलिका एंड एल्युमिनियम. Thus it is called the Sial, 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 SI for silica and the AL for ammonia, where the oceanic crust mainly consists of the silica and magnesium, and therefore it is called the Sima. Now second is the mantle. The mantle is the largest layer of the earth beneath the crust. Beneath the crust lies 2,900 kilometer thick layer called the mantle. It lies between the crust and the core. The mantle consists of the iron, aluminum, calcium, silicon, magnesium and the oxygen. The crust floats on the top of the mantle. The mantle is very highly temperature, reaching the 4,500 centigrade, which turns into a molten state. This molten rock is known as magma. Only sometimes the molten rocks of the mantle is when to gush out through the crust in a volcanic eruption. Hot spots are the place of the earth crust where the hot mantle rocks near the surface break through to form of the volcano. Now third is the core. It is the innermost layer of the innermost layer of core with the radius of about 3,500 kilometers. It consists of the nickel and the iron and is called Fe. Ne for nickel and Fe for ferrous iron. The central core is very high temperature and the pressure. The temperature range varies from 2,200 degree centigrade to 5,000 degree centigrade at the core of the earth. Now rocks and the minerals. Name some things that you see every day. No matter will be you go where you look, the rocks are everywhere. जो हमारे यहाँ चट्टाने हैं, जो मिनरल्स हैं वो हर जगह फैले हुए हैं. और a rocks can be defined as an aggregate of the mineral that forms a more or less definite units of the lithosphere. Some rocks do not allow water to pass through them. They are called impermeable rocks, and those that allow water to pass through them is called permeable rocks. There are a great variety of the rocks. They are varied in their different mineral composition, color, texture and permeability and the size. Now rocks can be put into the three basic categories: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and the metamorphic rocks. सबसे पहले है हमारा igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are the oldest type of the all rocks. The word igneous has been derived from the Greek word which means fire. These rocks are formed by the cooling and the solidification of the molten magma. When the volcano erupts, molten rocks called magma comes out to the earth's surface, and when the magma cool and solidified, it leads the formation of the igneous rocks. Example: granite, basalt, pumic, and obsidian. Igneous rocks are called primary rocks. Now second is the sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks, the earth's surface is constantly being eroded by the elements of the nature such as the wind and the water and ice. यानी मिट्टी जो सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स है या अवसादी जो शैलें हैं वो पृथ्वी के सरफेस के लगातार घर्षण से या उसके टूटने से ये चीज़ें होती हैं जो कि हवा, पानी और बर्फ़ के द्वारा होती हैं. दीज आर कॉल्ड द वेदरिंग एजेंट. इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? वेदरिंग एजेंट्स बोलते हैं. सम सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स आर ऑफ्टन रिच इन द फॉसिल्स. Fossils are the remains of the dead plants and the animal trapped in the layer of the rocks. Generally, sedimentary rocks are the soft, easily breakable. These rocks are widely founded and covered about 75% of the total land area of the earth. Some example of the sedimentary rocks are the sandstone, limestone, shale. Now third is the metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rocks, heat and the pressure can be changed many things. They can even change rocks. Metamorphic comes from the two Greek words meaning change and the form. So metamorphic rocks form the deep in the earth with the high temperature, great pressure and the chemical reaction causes change from one type of the rocks to another type of the rock. The high temperature and the pressure even change the original properties such as their color, texture, hardness, composition of the mineral available in the rocks. These rocks are formed from the igneous and the sedimentary rocks which are subjected to intense heat and the pressure. For example, clay change into the slate and the limestone into marble. Example: slate, marble and quartz. Now minerals. Rocks are made of the different minerals. The minerals are naturally occurred solid chemical substance which contain physical properties and a definite chemical composition. Minerals are very important to mankind. The different minerals that make up the different rocks are used as a fuel, medicines, fertilizers and in the various industries. For example, coal, natural gas, petroleum. They are used in industries such as iron, aluminum, gold, uranium, etc. They are even used in different industries as raw material, for example iron, copper, aluminum and the uranium. Now रॉक साइकिल. रॉक साइकिल क्या होती है कि किस तरीके से जो है एक चट्टान से दूसरी जो पत्थर है वो दूसरी तरह में चेंज होता है, दूसरे से तीसरी तरह से कैसे चेंज होता है. It takes millions and the millions of years. All rocks can be formed into any type of the rock. A sedimentary rocks can be formed into the metamorphic rock when heat and the pressure change the rock. The metamorphic rock can be turned into the igneous rocks when the rocks goes deeper in the earth's surface and melts into magma. Then that the magma cool down and it becomes the solid igneous rocks. The igneous rocks can be turned into the sedimentary rocks when it's reach earth's surface and wears away into bits of different materials. This is called the rock cycle and never ends. It another word, the transformation of the one type of the rock into another under certain conditions and its repeated manner इन रेफर्स इज कॉल्ड रॉक साइकिल। यानी रॉक साइकिल क्या है, लगातार चलने वाली प्रक्रिया है जिसमें सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स हैं वो मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक में चेंज होती हैं और मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक हैं वो इग्नियस रॉक्स में चेंज होती हैं। अब है यूजेस ऑफ द रॉक, यानी इन रॉक्स की क्या आवश्यकता है या हमारे ये क्या काम आती हैं। These are the many other use of the rocks. We use rocks for the building roads, jewelry, tombstones, building material, cosmetics, for cutting and drilling purpose, and many other things. Most of the famous sculptures of the world are made from the block of the stones, such as the granite and the marble. Taj Mahal are the made of the rocks, for the example of the rock using. तो आप इस तरीके से जो है ये चैप्टर हमारा कंप्लीट होता है। और ये जो डायग्राम है अर्थ का, इसको इंटीरियर इसको आप अपनी कॉपीज में बना सकते हैं। और टाइप्स ऑफ द रॉक और डिफरेंट यूजेस ऑफ द रॉक्स, you also make the diagram of the volcano. That's and that's the end of the topic. Okay, thank you.